Well, the weekend's here, and the adventure van, well, we're heading north with boats in tow. Starting a few years ago, the River King started putting on a member strip for the YouTube channel subscribers that become members. The membership fees are directly used to fund the Feed the Hunger organization, a nonprofit Christian-based ministry that sends food and nutrition worldwide to areas in need. Well, Bonnie and I have participated in all of the trips so far, and today we're traveling up north to Virginia to join Pete and about 20 others for a 2-day paddle with an overnight stay on the banks of the James River. I don't think I've ever seen these Yukons float so high out of the water in my life.
Sure. Y'all aren't eating enough moon pies.
The moon pies, Bonnie's buying. Yeah.
Why are you always busting up things?
It's your technique is doing exactly what you're doing.
We're just trying to go here.
Well, you got a motor in that thing? It's got to keep going or something?
I am.
But it still doesn't respond like a whitewater boat like I want to.
No, it
190
does.
Yeah, you consume fuel and let out hot gas. I'll give you that.
Same thing. Look, Kerry knows someone's gonna flip. He's posted up with the camera rolling. Make some magic, Alan.
The smoothest line, Pedro. Down the center of the left side. 10-4.
here where we need to take the boats up. About 6 miles down, and we reach camp for the evening. This is one of several camps maintained by Twin River Outfitters on the James River. Earlier today, we scouted the campsite, showing limited trees for hanging hammocks. So Bonnie and I, we brought our YoboGear Turtlebug hammock stands to free up space for the other members. And at the same time, it gives us nearly unlimited options for placement. After a great night's sleep, Sunday morning begins with near picture-perfect skies and calm water. Everyone settled in from day one and awoke the next, anticipating what the day will bring. After breaking down camp and loading the boats, we push off from the Arcadia campground for the remaining 10 miles to the takeout.
Hey, I would never put this on anybody, but this would be a good rapid swim if you weren't quite ready.
Morning. Hey. Anything biting?
Not yet.
Come from our way.
I hear you.
We're coming up on that waterfall we talked about. It's about 7 feet tall.
Exactly. Make sure you pull a good boost stroke.
A good boost stroke's going to be essential here.
You can't back out now. Come on. Oh, come on.
Oh, what was that?
Not a good one.
That's like an underhanded sissy basketball throw.
What? No.
Oh!
Oh, okay.
At least it was a forward throw.
Whoa. Yeah.
Watch out. Heads up.
Really good video.
Oh, that's cheating.
Derek, get out of there. I'm getting this. That's a personal journey.
That hurt.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
+20 paddlers, all with differing opinions and perspectives, sharing a wide open view to the world through the lens of the James River. Crystal clear water, shallow rapids, rolling mountain ranges, they all make for an ideal playground for a group of this size. Sprawling the width of the river, everyone has their own space to explore and have a moment with nature's beauty, all the while being a member of something larger than themselves. It gives us all a chance to leave the day-to-day hustle behind and connect with something that is all too often lost or set aside in our everyday lives. It reminds me of days as a child, running to the playground to meet up with other kids, for no reason other than to laugh and have fun. Many years have passed since those days, but the urge, it still remains. Careful, Kevin. I've seen you swimming doing less than that.
Surprised you can remember that far back.
Oh yeah. My feeble memory will go way back.
Good thing your mind was back. That's description.
Sent from Silver Men's.
Look at your bag there. It's the old daily Tuesday. Alan,
Yeah.
dragon. Oh, I'm sorry. You were hooked on.
Sorry, Kevin.
You were hooked on my run. I think we gotta pick it back.
More than likely.
Can we leave the space for two up top for the ones that we already carried up?
Yeah, we got another whole trailer gonna come down. So we, and that's a lot bigger trailer. We'll get them all, no problem. Yeah.
I just don't have to drag them back.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Grab the other side of that.